Welcome to Future Dr. NEET Academy for the problem solving session in NEET Physics. Topic chosen today is from chapter 13, Nuclei. And today is not problem solving session, problem questionnaire session. That is 7 questions will be sprinkled in this session, and next session we will solve the solution for these questions. Let's move to question number 1. The half-life of a radioactive sample undergoing alpha decay is 2 into 10 power 17 seconds. If the number of nuclei in the sample is 2.0 into 10 power 21, the activity of the sample is nearly dash. Option A, 10 power 4 BQ, that is becquerel. B option, 10 power 6 becquerel. C option, 10 power 5 becquerel. D option, 10 power 3 becquerel. You should know the formula for activity. By knowing the formula, you will solve this question. Let's move to question number 2. What happens to the mass number of atom and atomic number of element when it emits gamma radiation? That is option A, mass number decreases by 4 and atomic number decreases by 2. B option, mass number and atomic number remains unchanged. C option, mass number remains unchanged while atomic number decreases by 1. D option, mass number increases by 4 and atomic number increases by 2. Here you should know the concept for there is a gamma decay or gamma emission. By knowing the idea, you will find the solution. Let's move to question number 3. Alpha particle consists of dash. A option, 2 electron, 2 proton and 2 neutrons. B option, 2 electron and 4 protons only. C option, 2 protons only. D option, 2 protons and 2 neutrons only. Here you should know what is alpha particle and what is the element present. By knowing the formula or idea, you will find the solution. Let's move to question number 4. If radius of the Al1327 nucleus is taken to be RAL, then the radius of Te53125 nucleus is nearly dash. A option, 3 by 5 RAL. B option, 5 by 3 RAL. C option, 1 by 3 RAL. D option, 1 by 5 RAL. Here you should know the formula for radius with the R naught value or A value, that is a mass number value. By knowing the relation between R and mass number, you will find the solution for this question. Let's move to question number 5. The nucleus Al1327 has a nuclear radius of about 3.6 Fermi. Then Te52125 would have its radius approximately dash. A option 6 Fermi, B option 9.6 Fermi, C option 12 Fermi, D option 4.8 Fermi. Here also you should know the formula for radius with respect to mass number. By knowing the formula, you are able to find the solution. Let's move to question number 6. The volume occupied by an atom is greater than the volume of the nucleus by factor of about dash. A option 10 power 10, B option 10 power 15, C option 10 power 1, D option 10 power 5. Here you should know the formula for volume of the nucleus. By knowing the volume formula, you will find the solution for this question. Let's move to last question. A nucleus XNM emits 1 alpha particle and 2 beta particles. Resulting nucleus is dash. A option XNM minus 4. B option YN minus 2 M minus 4. C option ZN minus 4 M minus 4. D option none of these. Here you should know the concept for alpha decay and beta decay. By knowing the concept, you will solve this solution. Thank you, students. Next session, we will solve the solution for this question.